Chapter 1. The installation and activation of the software. This chapter guides users on how to install and activate the software. Please have the software installation CD ready before you initiate the installation process. There is an original software sticker affixed on top of the CD with product key and activation code printed clearly on it. If the information on the CD is not clear or the CD is not available, kindly contact support@FingerTec.com for assistance. Insert the software installation CD into the CD-ROM of the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Once the installation is done, a new icon will appear on the desktop. Double-click the new icon to start the software. You need to do basic configurations in order to use the software effectively. Select the preferred language, for example, English. Insert the software product key as printed on the software installation CD and click Next to continue. Select the date display format, for example, day followed by month and year. Click Next to continue. Select the first day of the week, for example, Sunday, according to your company's preference. Click Next to continue. Define the clocking schedule that applies to your company. For example, if you need to configure more clocking schedules, you can do it later. For now, click Next to proceed. Appoint an administrator to manage the software. This person will be given a password to access the software. Insert the password for an administrator to log in to the software. Retype the password to confirm. Next is to input details of your company in the software. Insert your company name, contact person, email, and country in the fields provided. Click Next to proceed. And click Finish to end the process. Once the process is done, you will receive a welcome message. Click OK and you can access the software. To access and start the software, please insert the administrator's password. The software will start to run and the next important step is to connect the software to the terminal. Please check ID column for the ID device and make sure that it is the same as configured in the terminal. Insert the terminal name in the description column to identify the terminal. Select the model of the terminal in the model column. Select the connection type as TCP/IP to connect the terminal. For other connections, please refer to the software user manual. Insert the terminal's IP address. Uncheck the Disable column to signal that the settings are done and the software is ready to establish connection. Click OK to connect software to the terminal. Now the software will request you to insert the software activation key. Once the activation key is inserted, click Apply to activate. Click OK to accept the welcome message and click Apply to save the settings. Now activation is complete and you can start using the software.